In this mortal world, there are two kinds of people. One are the ones who are like Hazrat Sumayya Raziyallahu Ta'ala, the first martyr of Islam, who did not have the handheld Quran device, proper understanding of the Quran that you and I have today. The second kind of people who are always reluctant because they let shaitan into their heads and their heart, telling them, you cannot do dawah because you don't know Islam yourself. You're not a good Muslim. This is what shaitan does. When we want to do something to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he actually discourages us, disappoints us, and makes us feel hopeless and have to be the followers of Hazrat Sumayya Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. As women especially, nation builders, the Muslimas, we have to follow the 100% pure route of Hazrat Sumayya Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave her that status because she actually stood up against the tyranny, against the oppression, and gave her life away, but she did not give up in front of Abu Jahl, who was the worst enemy of Islam. We need to follow her conviction, her perseverance, thinking that yes, whatever Islam we know, in our lifetime we can be engraved anytime, any minute. Understand whatever we have should be deployed, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us the choice, the free will to adopt, free will to understand, accept and believe, and then deliver.